Hello viewers, welcome to another tutorial by Project Maker. In this video, we will be covering basic concept of map and unordered map. Basically, a STL map and unordered map are like big boxes where you can store things with special labels, and if you want to find those things, you can use the label to find them. Now let's discuss advantages and disadvantages of using map and unordered map. STL map keeps things according to a specific order like a phone book, but it takes more time to find things because it has to look throughout the book, which is time wasting. On the other hand, unordered map put things in the random order, but it uses special trick to find things called as hashing. If you have a lot of key pair values and you need to access them frequently, then unordered map can be the best option for you. And if you have limited key value pairs, then map can be the best option. This was basic introduction about map and unordered map. Now let's move to the practical implementation of this concept. So let's move to our destination folder. As you can see, I have already created a CPP file. Now let's open it. As you can see, I have already written some CPP template to save our time. Now let's start with the implementation of this concept. The syntax of map is as follows. So just write map and just first argument as string and next argument as int. You can give both arguments as int, both argument as string according to your requirement, and just name of the map. So let's say MP. So in this way, map is declared, and to declare another map, we have to just add some modification in it. Unordered underscore map and any two data types. So this time let's type int, comma int, and u underscore MP. In this video, we will be only discussing about map because the declaration or syntax of inserting, accessing, searching element in map and unordered map is as good as same. So it will be a homework for you to implement unordered map on yourself. So let's start with the declaration of map. So I will just comment unordered map. The first is inserting an element in map. So to insert an element, there are two ways. So first way is name of the map dot insert keyword circular bracket and just pass key value pair. So our map has first string and after that integer. So let's store the name of a person. So let's see ABC and after that comma the age of that person. So let's say 12. So the person name ABC has 12 age. This is first method to insert. Now let's check the second method to insert. So I will just add MP square brackets name of the another person, let's say XYZ equal to, and the age let's say 56. So these are the two ways using which you can insert element in map. Let's add some more elements. So I will just copy paste it as you can see. And now let's say PQR and let's make it 22 and XYZ let's make it LMN. So we have inserted 4 elements in our map as you can see. Let's move ahead. Next part is accessing specific element. To access specific element, we have to pass key and it will return the value of that key. So let's try it. See out. Let's say the value of ABC is. After that, simply write MP of means square bracket and just write ABC. And it will just return the value. In our case, the value of ABC is 2. So let's check by running the program. So as you can see, the value of ABC is 12, which is correct. Now let's close the output and move ahead. Searching an element. To search element in our map, we have to use iterator, and using find function, we have to find the key value pair if it is present in our map or not. So let's start with declaration. So I will just make it auto it and just mp.find. mp is name of our map and find is the function, and let's suppose let's pass xyz this time. So if it is not equal to mp.end, which means that iterator has not reached end of map. this will tell us that it is present in our map. So I will just write item present. And if it reaches the end of map, which means that item is absent, so I will just write item is absent and endl for better understanding. Now let's run the program. I have missed semicolon. So as you can see, the output is item is present, which is correct. Now let's move ahead. So next is deleting an element. To delete an element from map, there is a erase function available. So I will just write mp dot erase and name of the key. So I will just type, let's say I want to delete pqr. So I will just write pqr and semicolon. After writing this command, pqr will get deleted from our map, and we can verify it by printing the size of our map. So to printing the size of map is very easy using size function. So we will just write size of map is, and after that mp.size and indel for better understanding. So let's run the program. So as you can see, the size of map has reduced by 1, which is correct. Now let's move ahead, which is printing elements. To print an element of a map is very easy. So we will directly write for loop for that. Auto I and name of map, which is mp in our case. After that I will just write cout I dot first and semicolon for better understanding. After that I dot second. After that end. So in this way we can print it. Now let's check the output. So as you can see, all the values are printed here. So let's move ahead. I will just close it, and the last function needs check if empty. So to check the map is empty or not, I will just write is map empty. After I will just mp.empty. So using mp.empty function, we will check that map is empty or not. So in our case, map is not empty, so it should give output as 0. Let's wait for the output. So as you can see, is map empty has written 0, which means that our map is not empty, which is correct answer. These were all basic concept of map and unordered map that you must know before implementing map in your programs. Here comes the end of this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching this video.